Fresno State is now implementing the California SAFE Act. The SAFE Act alerts the campus through email and social media if it has been confirmed that the immigration enforcement activity is on school grounds. The email will include information such as the date, time, and the general location of the activity.
For sure, it's going to be safer because not only will the students know, but everybody that is connected to the campus, that's faculty and staff, they are going to know, and we can all just be prepared for these kinds of people being on campus. I mean, if you don't really know that, then you're going to be wondering who are these armed people.
With students scared in the uncertainty of when ICE may be on campus, you can go to the Fresno State page under Immigration and look under Knowing Your Rights and the SAFE Act here on campus. DACA student Fernanda Sistos says her inputs on the new SAFE Act.
Especially because we live in an area where we have a lot of Hispanics and Latinos, and so I think it's important to support your community and especially make students feel safe on campus.
The university also provides numerous resources to students that help them understand their rights and what to do in the event of an immigration officer on campus.